Mag-sketch tayo ng graph. So, yung graph ng negative 4x plus 2y equals 8. So, yung method natin dito ay kukunin natin yung x and y intercepts. So, simulan natin. Yung x-intercept muna yung kunin natin. So, para makuha yun, let y equal 0 to find the x-intercept. So, ito yung 2y, yung y ay magiging 0. So, nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Yung y ay pinalitan na natin ng 0. So, yung x at is lang. Yan. So, 2 times 0 is 0. So, ang naiwan na lang ay negative 4x equals 8. Kailangan x lang yung maiwan. Kaya ang gagawin natin, i-bring down natin yung negative 4 both sides. So, negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive x. And 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. So, yung x-intercept natin ay negative 2. Or kung isulat natin yan sa coordinate, we have negative 2 and 0. Next, yung x-axis naman, yung pin natin, ay yung y-intercept naman pala yung pin natin. Para makuha yung y-intercept, let x equal 0. Ayan, yung x naman yung pinalitan natin, naging 0. Negative 4 times 0, of course, 0 yan. At meron na lamang tayong 2y equals 8. Para y lang yung maiwan, i-bring down lang natin yung 2, both sides. 2 divided by 2 is y, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, yung y-intercept natin ay 4, or kung isulat yan sa coordinate, or ordered pair, 0, 4 yung ating sagot. So, i-plot na natin. Ito muna yung x equals negative 2. So, dito sa graph, dito yan. Ay, dito pala, negative 2. X-axis tayo eh. And then yung y equals 4, y-intercept na 4, dito yan. Ayan. So, i-plot natin. So, yun. Ito na yung graph ng negative 4x plus 2y equals 8 gamit intercepts.